Ever had your heart pounding so hard it feels like it's about to explode out of your chest? Is it anxiety or just a bad day? Let's delve into this. Anxiety is not merely a temporary state of stress or worry, it's a serious condition that can significantly disrupt daily life. It's like living under a constant shadow of threat, always on edge, always ready to react. Now, everyone experiences anxiety differently. For some, it might feel like an incessant worry that won't let them sleep. For others, it could be an intense fear that stops them in their tracks. And then there are physical symptoms. A racing heartbeat, profuse sweating, a feeling of being wound up tighter than a spring. It's as if your body is perpetually ready for a fight or flight situation. As you can see, anxiety is more than just a feeling. It's a physical and emotional response that can be incredibly overwhelming. How do you know if what you're feeling is anxiety? Let's talk about some common symptoms. Anxiety often presents itself through feelings of restlessness. You might feel like you're constantly on edge, jittery, or unable to sit still. A lot of people with anxiety also report feeling fatigued or worn out more easily than usual. Concentration can be another big challenge. You might find your mind wandering or struggle to focus on tasks at hand. Then there's the issue of sleep disturbances. Whether it's trouble falling asleep, staying asleep, or having restless, unsatisfying sleep, it's a common thread among many who experience anxiety. And let's not forget about the mental and emotional symptoms. Excessive worry, a sense of impending doom or danger. These are all hallmarks of anxiety. Recognizing these symptoms is the first step towards managing anxiety. But remember, everyone's experience with anxiety is different. Anxiety can feel like a giant mountain you can't climb, but there are ways to cope and manage these feelings. One of the most effective methods is through breathing exercises. Deep, controlled breaths can help calm the mind and reduce anxiety. It's like giving your brain a gentle reminder that you're in control. Meditation can also be a powerful tool. It allows you to focus on the present moment, rather than getting lost in anxious thoughts about the past or future. Grounding techniques such as focusing on the details of a physical object or naming things you can see can also help bring you back to reality when anxiety takes hold. Maintaining a healthy lifestyle is another key factor. Regular exercise and a balanced diet can greatly reduce anxiety levels, but remember, it's okay if you need more help. Seeking professional aid, whether therapy or medication, can be a game changer. Remember, it's okay to ask for help. You're not alone in this journey. Sometimes hearing about other people's experiences can make us feel less alone. Let's share some stories. One viewer recounted their struggle with anxiety, describing it as a feeling of constant worry and restlessness. They learned to cope by practicing mindfulness and seeking professional help. Another viewer shared their experience of anxiety as a life-altering force, disrupting their daily routine. They found solace in journaling and therapy, reminding us that it's okay to ask for help when we need it. And yet another viewer expressed their journey with anxiety as a difficult but important part of their life. They used physical activity as a coping mechanism, finding that regular exercise helped them manage their symptoms. These anonymous stories highlight the diverse experiences of individuals dealing with anxiety. They remind us that it's okay to struggle, to ask for help, and to keep trying different coping mechanisms until we find what works best for us. Remember, anxiety is not a sign of weakness. It's a part of life that many of us experience. You're not alone, and there's always help available.